Now task force matter now we dey on to now as we dey talk, and we get one of the correct guys when be the chairman of the task force for your market. Oh, how many years you don be chairman now for your task force, okay?
They just elect me.
Okay, they just elect you now, abi?
Yes.
Okay, so you say you be the you be
Chairman,
chairman. Okay, exactly.
For our plaza, KB2 Plaza, Mandela.
Okay, number one, give us the what will be the work of task force first of all before we will continue.
Okay. The work of the task force for this side is we will make sure that everywhere they okay. There's no problem. So if you see any people where they fight, but the work of task force is to the guide people
for market.
So that, for the market, to the guide people how to do, and how to do business. If anybody gets problem for inside market, and it's going to call report for task force, then the task force will handle the case. Look at the one we pass task force, plaza task force. Then you carry the good central, because you central task force.
Okay.
Yes. So from there, they go to the time.
Okay.
Police for our central task force.
I bet your line not clear. You say come again. Talk the last part where.
You don't hear me now.
Better now you dey talk like human being. Yeah, let's go.
Okay.
You say una get police for where?
For trade fair, we get trade fair police post.
Okay, but una job now go first catch the person first. I been waiting.
Yes, we just catch. If you see the way we go feel handle. We go handle for our plaza.
Yes.
And if the one we know we feel handle. We can go central task force. Hand those people to central task force.
Okay.
Then the central task force will carry them go police station.
Okay.
So
okay.
So now MBD work.
Okay.
You see, like the other time we talk of all the aboki they carry person market. Now that one too we specialize on.
Okay, so now, for your plaza now, I mean for your marketplace, how not they handle all those kind of wahala? When we say aboki go carry person market, when not be the person or when not be the other person.
Okay, but if anyone we catch, we go make sure we carry and go around the market.
Yeah.
Then after around the market, we go snap the aboki. So then carry the picture, go paste for wall for that our central task force.
Yes.
So go carry the picture, go paste for there. Then I say we no want see for market again.
Oh, so okay, una go be pushing come up for the market, pata.
Yeah, from there you come up for the market, pata.
But if una post a picture for the market round, if you enter, how una go tell no?
We go know.
Yes,
we go know.
Okay,
because
so
as far as say you don't carry the pictures now, place for that wall. So everybody way pass to see them. Everybody way pass to see. Even the other plaza task force self.
Yeah.
They call them. The only way they see the person. And even if it not be our plaza, even if another plaza, they go dictate them, then carry and come office again.
Okay. So una get office, una own task force abi for una marketplace.
Yes, we get office.
I beg if una listen to us for your market, if una get task force when they work, let us know. If you na get task force when not they work, still let us know. If no task force at all for your plaza or for your market when you did now, call us. In fact, tell us anything about your task force for your own market when you did now. What will be the challenges of the task force for your market?
Oh, the challenge who they have now, especially all those aboki. Not all because not all of them they hear English.
Okay.
Yes, they come from Chad, when they come from Cotonou.
Wow.
So now they are the problem lies. So before you go talk to them, you go carry the brother come.
Okay.
Then the brother go to interpret for you.
Okay.
Sometimes still waiting the guy talk. Now the interpreter go tell you.
Sure.
Among themselves, don't go just the taku. Then if you get your own person where they among them,
yes.
Then you go ask them.
Yes.
Then you go can't tell you waiting the guy talk. So no be waiting the guy plan.
Yes.
Now
should that be say una go tell am one thing, you go tell your brother on that? Are you serious?
Why no be say inside the task force una no go get person wey be say they hear them wey go dey in charge of them. To me I believe say e go better if una get member of una task force wey be Hausa wey be say na him go dey in charge of all the aboki dem. So that una go know say okay this one na correct and na legit instead of say you go bring him brother come oya come help me speak, this one go speak, you go tell this one thing, him go tell the another thing.
How una check am?
This one another idea. Now, if you get meeting, now you get meeting today, we go.
Exactly. Okay, just stay on the line now, Kotamo.
That's for something. Don't say we don't exist for that place. I did my map before.
Okay.
They don't since 2000. That's what they so the thing they hot well. They do their job well. Okay. I did my map like that before.
Oh, okay.
Back of Mandela.
Okay, that means that their own they work well. Wow.
If they work well now, I did for Mandela. I did business there before.
Okay.
For Mount Plaza.
Nice.
Before the ship go trade fair, the head of the trade fair now. They work. They very active. Very active.
Nice.
Very.
Correct.
This side for our task force, they are not doing their work well.
How?
They are not doing their work well. If any member get case or get problem with anybody, once they come to task force, the task force they will allow the people to carry the person out.
Are you serious?
So
the task force not go take action. They not go take action and see justice.
They not go take any action. They will allow people. They allow the other police or all these scouts to carry them away.
Sure.
So they are not doing their work well.
For Alabasuru.
Here.
Wonderful. Okay, we don't hear
my
that
brother, we dey suffer for here based on task force level.
Okay, thank you.
Abeg for this task force thing when they talking, I wan ask, they under government or they on their own?
Okay, Oga task force chairman. Okay, answer my madam.
Una dey under government or una dey on una own? Or na only una na dey?
No, we dey on our own. But any case wey pass us, we go transfer them to police.
Okay. Another question again I wan ask. As una dey for that market, so or na the shopping mall or something wanna get, dem no get camera una dey use for them?
Yeah, camera. Every camera. That's why the thing don't reduce now because of camera wey dey everywhere.
So light is there for the place?
No, na solar. We use solar.
Solar.
Okay. No, nice one because normally what I try to because if government they fit do all this kind of thing, then we go people not go they fear again because for here where would they nothing like task force. Okay. I used to get na security person where go there like the front of the shopping mall like that. Finish. Okay. You know the whole gun. Not just so like he did the case of anybody there. He go hold you in case you they run.
Yeah.
Or if somebody thief something. Even with camera, they see they thief. For Nigeria own, I know you made a try to they make things easy because it's not easy. Now do it. Thank you.
All right, thank you, Mary Jane. All right, to Oga task force chairman.
You're right.
You too much. In fact, somebody don't really call us to confirm say for una side for that Mandilas for that Emma Plaza say una they work well.
They work well.
Thank you so much.
On top of WhatsApp, this one say ratata the task force where we get for Dumata na CBD. Them they wear ash color top and black trouser. Ratata. These guys they wicked or very wicked, and na people from a particular tribe be their wahala. But why? My name na Afrigogo from Obalende. Where we dey for general paint Aja, we get tax force, but na only Hausa be the tax force there. For Ido rice market, now wow na tax. Oh God, is it na tax force?
He say na wow.
Na wow.
No task force at all. He say even when Iyaloja as in Jaga na wow. He say no task force. He say even Iyaloja and Babaloja self they are not doing anything for the market. They are not to collect with money and to do nothing. I tire for Ido rice market.
Even for my time for Oba here, the best that those people that just serious. So as of last month, they come to lock our shop.
Una get task force, Abi?
Yes, you get for Oba.
Okay.
You get. They come to lock our shop. We complete with them.
Yeah.
Say you go pay next week.
Yeah.
So the following week, now all of us come gather go to the office. Go pay them the money. 10,100 naira.
Okay.
Now we pay 10,100
Okay.
naira everybody.
Okay. Anyway, thank you.
Information minister.
Now what the allergy?
Now may you not get light so for your shop.
On top of WhatsApp, this one say good morning ratata. This na Edwin AP from Railway Ebutemeta.
My own shopping complex I do.
Okay.
The task force when they for here. Now all those wole people. Wole.
Which shopping complex be that one?
For Ekpe.
Okay.
All for Mojoda.
Okay.
The shopping complex is dead close to market.
Okay.
If your place not clean, they go close your shop.
Better.
You know pay shop rent. tenement permit.
Yes.
They go close your shop.
Okay.
They clean everywhere. They get toilet, we get everything.
Wow.
They tight everywhere for us for here.
Now wow. That means that they're very, very active.
Are they happy? Oh.
Wow, I like that.
Are they happy? That's why they happy.
Wow, wonderful.
I like that well.
Okay. No wala. Nice one, eh?
Eh? That's what's ready for no side for Aspanda.
Eh?
They no work, oh.
For Aspanda, Abi?
That market, since then, almost 4 months now, no game.
For Aspanda?
For no side for Aspanda.
So they're not active at all? They don't do anything at all?
They don't give us any reason, oh. They just say they're going to look for this. Since then, up to now, they don't see the market. And they don't know who see for full load, though.
Are you
full
serious?
Container.
Full container?
Lots of load, please. They are serious, though. They are not doing their proper work.
Wow, for a new site for Aspanda. Okay, now yeah, we go report all of them when they do their work here, and they call themselves task force for inside market. So they see the thief things for there, and then they catch the thief, Abi. Oh, the line
as you
go.
Talk this thing now I make this Edwin AP talk for railway. He say he won't know this tax for where they talk for market. He won't know how they handle agbero, where they collect money, and where they fight up and down. Say how they handle that.
You never download the Wazobia FM app? Chai! You dey miss wella. Oh yeah, download our Wazobia FM app today on top Apple Store and Google Play Store. Make you fit listen anywhere and everywhere. Join the Chookmouth family today.
Wazobia FM 95.1.
Chookmouth.